Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're gonna do a review of the Omaha Steaks Burger Package. And the different varieties that I got are porterhouse, beef sirloin, beef rib burgers, beef tenderloin, which is filet, beef brisket, and ground beef strip burgers. So I think they might have a few other varieties. That's what I got. This was actually a gift to me. I'm a very frugal person, so I have never bought Omaha Steaks or any of their products before, but it was a gift. And I'm going to make this video really short and sweet because I don't think you need to watch me cook a burger. You know what a burger looks like. I just want to tell you about the different varieties, whether I think it was worth the money. That's all the information I think you need. So first of all, I should say they came in packages of 4, but I put a picture up on the screen to show how they were packaged. They thaw real fast. If you just pull 2 of them out, or 4, or how many, they thaw in a couple of hours. And I think that's one of the secrets to getting a good sear on your burger is not trying to cook it from frozen. You want to let it thaw first and then put it on a good hot pan, and you get that nice crusty sear on your burger. So I think that's important. The other thing I think that's really important is that you get some good buns, not just cheap grocery store, brand name buns that are real soft and squishy. You got to get like the brioche buns or something a little more substance to it, because these burgers are good size and you don't want some wimpy bun that doesn't hold up to it. So those are my opinions. So you don't want some bun that doesn't hold up to the burger. You want to have a nice substantial bun. So when I first got these, I have never really considered myself a burger person. Once in a while, but I never ordered them at restaurants. I rarely ever made them at home. I would usually eat them if I went to a cookout or something like that, but I just never thought I was that big of a fan until I got sent these burgers. These burgers are so good, and it doesn't even matter which variety. In fact, the honest to God truth is I couldn't tell the difference from one to another. The very only difference that I noticed was, like, say, the filet burgers were a little less greasy than like the brisket burgers, which would be expected. But you could cook one of each of these and put them all in front of me right now, and I would not be able to tell you which was which. All I could tell you is they're all outstanding. Super good. The flavor's good. You can tell it's high quality meat, and just the way they're packaged is really nice. I don't think you can go wrong with them. I'm probably gonna purchase some in the future, and just to compare it to something, I went out and bought some frozen burgers. I had looked online to see what the best ones are, and everybody seems to say that Bubba burgers are the best. So I went and bought some Bubba burgers, and I let them thaw first. Like I said, I think that's really important that you let them thaw before you cook them. And I made the Bubba burger, and it was decent, but it does not compare to these. These are so good. I just can't say enough about them, how great they were, and they have turned me into a burger lover. When we first got these, we started eating burgers like every other night so that we could try all the different varieties. So in the span of 1 month, because we got 24 burgers here. So in the span of 1 month, we ate 24 burgers between 2 people. And now I crave burgers. So I think I am gonna end up getting some more. And I just want to highly recommend them. And that's the only information I have for you, is that I highly recommend them, that they're packaged nice, they're neat. Storing them is nice. Now the package that I got, they all came like 4 to a box, so they all stacked real nice in my freezer. I just can't really find anything bad to say, to tell you the truth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to check out any of my cooking videos, I have about 120 cooking videos. It's Rhonda's Thrifty Kitchen, and there's baking and cooking. And I hope you check out one of my other videos, and thanks for stopping by today. Take care.